Hey there, Spencer here, and today I just wanted to quickly show you this new product we got. It's a Admiral TV VCR combo. It's got the VHS player built into it. It's got a few buttons on the front panel. It's got the power button, the channel buttons, volume, and then a record button to begin recording, and then play and stop and eject. We've also got the original remote control with it, and this is it right here. And then on the back of it, you've got a composite video input along with a mono input, and then a composite video output and a mono output. The output would allow you to use this with a bigger TV if you wanted to. You just connect it with the composite cable. And then it's also got the coax right there, which connects to the antenna, which that won't work at all for you, unfortunately, but it is there to look at. And this was manufactured in September of 1998, and the model is GOJ12311. And it's got a carrying handle right here for allowing it to be more portable. And it's not too heavy. Let's go ahead and turn it on and put a tape in. So it's only mono audio, no speaker on the left, just on the right. And there also is a headphone jack right there if you wanted to use it.
Come on, look at that. It's going to fall. Take one step, reach out and take my hand. Come on! Come on!
And the picture quality on it is as good as you're going to get with these tube TVs and with VHS, but it will look a little funny on your screen just because it doesn't process properly with these digital cameras. So that was a quick demo of our Admiral TV VCR combo. If you're looking to purchase one, you can get it from our website at SpenCertified.com. You can call to order or order online. The link will also be in the description. Thanks a lot for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.